Welcome to the TSC Libraries online tutorials. For this lesson, we are going to learn about the CQ Researcher database. We're going to learn what type of content it holds, where you can find it, as well as suggested search strategies. Today we're going to demo some research topics to help you learn how to find resources more effectively. CQ Researcher is a helpful pro-con database. As opposed to some of our hot topic databases, CQ Researcher provides in-depth reports on today's issues from an objective viewpoint. Let's do a demonstrated search with the topic Student Debt in America. Right now we're on the home screen of CQ Researcher. Now there are several ways that you can find articles on your topic. Now the first way is to browse by the general topic areas listed on the default tab. For our topic, if we click into Education, we can see several reports under that category. For our topic, this U.S. student debt report looks like it could be relevant. The second way you can search is you can use the Hot Topics tab to see what reports have been popular with other users, although this does not guarantee that your topic will be included. Luckily for us, there is one here on college debt. The third way is if you select the Pro-Con tab, it will show you an alphabetical list of different topics that feature a pro-con debate. Now if we select C and scroll down, we can find college financing and funding. Clicking on this will bring up a list of reports that could be relevant. Depending on your topic, you can search for results through any of these paths, but our last method will allow you to get the most specific results. The final method of searching in CQ Researcher is through the advanced search in the upper right corner of the home page. This will lead us to an advanced screen where you can type your keywords in, such as student debt, and optionally filter by topic categories and publication date. Using the advanced search strategy, we will see our search for student debt and America return some related results. One article, titled "Will recent legislation curb ballooning debt or hurt borrowers?" looks like it would be helpful for our topic, and is recent, which can be important if your assignment is time sensitive. Once you open the article, you will see the full report, which contains an introduction, overview, background, pro-con content, and more. On this report page, we will see some brief summaries on the topic that discuss varying viewpoints on the subject. This will provide a good start for our research. For more information or any questions you may have about this database, please contact a librarian at the main campus library or our TSC Gazzavini Healthcare Library.